said she running away. She said she can't take it no more, no. So she ran away, yeah. She can't love him what she wants.
Hi family, and welcome back. If this is your first time seeing me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For my returning fam, welcome back. On this channel, we do interior design with a real interior designer, DIYs, lifestyle, and some vlogging. So if that is what you're looking for, go ahead and stick around. Now guys, let's get into this video. Hey family, today we are going to do a DIY vase for my kitchenette table. So I got this vase from Home Goods, and I wanted something that had a unique shape, and this one does. And it also comes with a stand. So I am showing you the Rust-Oleum products that I'm going to use. I am using a white spray, I'm using a stone textured one, and then the clear one is to complete and seal everything together when I am finished. I'm using a little spot right here in my garage because somebody done took over my table with their stuff. So I'm trying to not let stuff get all on my tools and stuff that I have hung. So I made a little makeshift spraying booth, if you want to call it that. So also ensure that you remove any, if you plan to do this, remove any stickers from the outer part of the jar. Okay, so I am going to give it's the first coat of white. Ensure that you shake that spray paint pretty good. I must say guys, with this video, I am having some kind of a SD card problem. And this video is pretty dark. I've tried to fix some of it. However, yeah, it's not of good quality at all. And I know it's because of my SD card. Okay. So when you're spraying, you want to try to not have the spray can too close. You see how far away I'm spraying from? That would help you to get more even layers, and it would help for the paint to not run, you know. And don't stay in one spot spraying too long. Give it its first layer. You have to give it a second layer. You just have to. So don't try to rush the process. The next thing that I'm going to add to it is the stone texture. I hate how this thing smells. It smells like bug spray. Like, I hate how it smells. I don't know why it smells like that. So you're going to give it an even coat all around with that. And then I'm going to leave it and put it to dry. I'm going to put a fan on it so that I can speed up my drying process. Since this is at night that I'm doing this, it is raining, storming outside, so I can't, you know, even leave it outside too dry or anything like that. I'm locked up in my garage. I must say guys, it did look really good with the texture over the white, but I wanted a white jar. So I'm now putting the white spray over the stone because I only wanted the texture from the stone. You're going to see how it looks when it is all done. When you're given this last coat, you have to ensure that you cover all of the brown spots from the texture. You don't want any of it peeking out because you do want to have that nice solid matte finish, all white, and you don't want to like see any of that brown peeking out anywhere, because that is not the look that I was going for. So guys, here it is, completed. So right now it looks kind of glossy because it's not dried yet. So I am going to put a fan on it and leave it to dry for about an hour. Now what I'm going to do while that is drying is I am going to start to prepare the table for that piece. So I am putting it on my kitchenette table, and as you can see, this is the part of my video that is like really bad. The lighting is like off. No matter what I did, the lighting is off. So sorry about that. I have to let babe look at this. He keep thinking it's something that I'm doing, and all I am doing is hitting record. That's it. That is it. I don't know why I'm having these issues. I know it's because Samson is trying to force me to go get that flip phone, but Samson, I don't want it. It's too expensive. Shoot. So guys, I want to say one thing about this glass table. If I had another option, as much as I love it, I would get rid of it. But I done spent so much money. That table cost me almost $900 just for the table. But oh my gosh, keeping it clean is, woo. Don't talk about when baby Zyla think it's okay to go under there and look up and put her little fingerprints all underneath it. Like, outside of that, I love this dining room set. It's gorgeous. What I have decided to do for the fall, and since it's, you know, everybody seems to be sitting there a lot, I'm going to put placemats on it. And see, the placemats would help with, you know, some of these fingerprints and stuff like that ending up on it. So I normally don't have nothing on it at all, but let's try this placemat for this season and see if it works. And if it does, I would definitely get some other ones that can take me through spring and summer. So guys, what I am doing piece by piece is I am dressing my house. I did my bedroom, I did my living room, and now I am doing my kitchen for, you know, adding fall items going into more seasonal. I don't do Halloween, so you won't see any Halloween stuff, but you will see more of, you know, going into the season like Christmas, that type of stuff. I'm just gonna be dressing the house as I go. So for my rings, the normal Judith would have, but not the normal Judith, but the Judith before, who liked all the bling, those would have been bling. Of course, because, you know, going into the seasonal stuff is a lot of bling in here and there. But I'm just so over it. I am over the bling, and I am taking it out of my house piece by piece. I don't want to see it like that anymore. I am like becoming real minimal, you know, like those artworks on the wall, they're gonna go. They're about to go. So guys, this is the stand for that vase that I sprayed. It's a black metal stand. So here what I am doing is I got me some flowers from Publix, and I am going to put the flowers in this jar. So what I did is I add some cold water with ice into the jar, and now I am cutting my stems and placing them in the jar. I really like to have the fresh flowers, But what I don't like is that I have to go to the store and purchase them. I do not like going into big stores. Like, I don't like going into Walmart. I don't like going to Kroger, those big stores. Like, I don't like going in there. It's like it's such a long thought process for me to do stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not a street girl. I don't, I prefer to be at home. So, me getting the fresh flowers is not always an option. So guys, here is the final styling of my dining kitchenette table. Sorry. So this is the piece styled on the table with the flowers. And I wanted to add a colorful flower just to bring that fall seasonal, happiness into the space. And I decided to do it with the flowers versus using, colorful napkins or anything like that. So that is how I brought in my pop of color. Okay guys, this side is the my countertop. What I did here is I added a tray. That tray may not stay there because I did buy that tray to do a DIY. So I just did this side of it, and I really wanted to show you guys my toaster and my blender. I showed you this blender in a haul before and told you that I was waiting for the toaster to come in stock. It finally did. So I got rid of that big 4-slice toaster that I had there and put this one there. So they are digital, and again, you can get these from Walmart. I love it. They look really, really elegant on the counter. I do not like a lot of stuff on my counter, but I see I'm having a lot of stuff on my counter now. But I'm dealing with it. I'm dealing with it. Like that tray, I'm gonna get rid of that tray. So I got new napkins, and not napkins, I got new hand towels, and they are navy blue with white stripes. So I got them from Home Goods. So I wanted to show you how the space look with the lights off, how the ambiance is in the kitchen. My under-counter lights are LED lights that I got from Amazon a few years ago, and ever since I installed them, they never turned off since then. So they stay on 24 hours a day. Okay guys, so this is the final and the end of the video, and I'm giving you a really good close-up of the vase, showing you the texture in it and how beautiful this turned out. It's not 100% dry yet, but it'll be dry. I told everybody, hey, do not touch this thing, do not go digging on it, because it hasn't completely cured yet. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you guys on my next one. Bye, and have a good one.
She says she running away. She says she can't take it no more.